Welcome. Okay guys, final reveal, it's Jason. Jason used to work for one of the biggest wrapping companies down south. He's up north to join the best, RS Customs. Welcome Jason, are you ready? Let's do this. Okay guys, quick update. Pressure washed the car, form's been done. Roxy's just finishing off a little bit of detailing with a detailing brush. Get it all dried down. Clay bar will be done inside as well. PPF is applied to the car. We're going to show you the advantages of it and also the life and durability, how the PPF is with the car. So hope you like this video, guys. Stay tuned. See you in a little while.
How you doing, guys? This part is quite important. There's two types of installation. You get back rolling, pretty much some other people doing that. My way is in getting the film or getting the pattern to the wall, but unfortunately we don't have wall yet, so we're gonna cut off whatever the pattern in this film and then prepare it and label it, and pretty much that's it really.
Easy, right?
How you doing, guys? At this time we did the bulk fit on the wing mirrors on the Rolls-Royce ROYCE. Unfortunately, some patterns doesn't match on the particular wing, so customer wants the full coverage on the wing mirror, so without seamless lines. It's important that you put the seamless line. That's it really. Bulk fit, risky. Only skilled people can do it.
Jason and Roxy just finishing off the front grille. Next they're going to tackle the front bumper. Doing a good job there, just tacking it on with a tacking solution. Roxy's finishing off the edges nice and neatly around the edges. Looks nice and clean.
Okay, guys, this time of moment we're still doing the Rolls-Royce, right? Pretty much 95% done. There's some missing parts on the panel, on the pattern, so I need to check it out in production. And we'll cut and plot.
Done? Well done, bro, well done. Okay, Jason, Roxy, Ibby, I've done a banging job on this PPF. Full track pack done, ready for the customer to collect. I hope he likes it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment and share with the video as well. Jason, got anything to say?
Yeah, 100% complete on this PPF track pack. After 2 weeks, the customer will come back and then we'll do a final check.
Nice to see you again. How are you doing, bro?
I'm good.
Yeah, okay guys, Chilly's here to pick up the not Range Rover, his Rolls Royce. He's got a Range Rover as well, he's bringing that in soon as well, guys. So, as we've done, the PPF's done. Not much changed, but it looks a bit more shinier.
Yeah, you done the gold, mate.
Particular car that we did on the PPF, you got 2 weeks to come back. Obviously the curing part is 2 weeks. Then we're gonna do a full inspection again. If everything is alright, done correctly. But I'm 100% sure it's done correctly. Done? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much, Kareem, and everyone. I recommend Kareem's RS Customs. Defo, come here, get your PPF done, wrapping done. These are the boys. 24 hours, the guys turn the car around. So yeah, very happy. Thank you.
Nice one, Chilly. Thanks for that, guys. So, as you said, guys, if you're interested in getting your PPF done at RS Customs, give us an email. You can come to the Bradford branch or the Leeds branch. It's your choice. And also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below. See you in the next video. It's going to be a nice one.